Fifth grade into math, lesson 5.1. Use unit cubes to build solid figures. I can build solid figures using unit cubes. Spark your learning. Alexandra is volunteering to stack boxes of soup cans at a community food bank. She stacks the boxes to form the right rectangular prism shown. Make visual models to show 3 other ways that Alexandra can stack the boxes to form right rectangular prisms. Okay, so basically over here in her picture, how many total boxes do we have? 12, right? Okay, so she has 6 across. She has 6 across, 2 up and down, right? And then how many wide does she have them? Just 1, right? Okay, so what's another way we could get 12 using those boxes? Okay, so we could do 4 times 3 times 1, and those all could have associative property, right? It could be written in a different order, but still get that. Okay, what's another way we could do it? 12 times 1 times 1. Okay, and then we could come up with one more way. This really can't be broken down any other way because we've already broken it down this way, right? Okay, what about this one? 4 times 3 times 4. Well, like I said, those can be in any order, so we need different numbers. Okay, so we clearly can't break the 3 and the 1 down, right? Can we break the 2 down? 2 and 2, right? So we could do 2 times 2 times 3, and our 2 replaces the 1, right? Okay. Building understanding. Number 1, Carlos and Kelly are building store displays in the shape of right rectangular prisms using cube-shaped boxes of the same size. So Carlos's display looks like this and Kelly's looks like this. Okay, so they're kind of the same shape, right? Except for one's standing up and one's turned on its side, correct? Okay, so that's kind of what we did on the previous page where we said they could have the same numbers, but they could be in different order, right? So use unit cubes to make visual models of the 2 displays. Okay, so we have our displays, right? Okay, how many unit cubes are in each display? So we have, let's see, 8 by 2, yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, it's 4. So 8 total. So how many total do we have? 8. Well, we have 8 in one layer, and then we have another layer, so there's 2 layers. So we have 16. So 16 unit cubes. Okay, and a cube is a type of right rectangular prism. A unit cube is a cube that has a length, width, and height of 1 unit. So think of the length of the edge of each unit of each cube-shaped box as 1 unit. What are the dimensions of each display? So if each of those have 1 unit, so this would be what? 2. So we'd have 2 by, so this would be 2. This would be 2, right? And this would be what? How tall does it go? 4, right? Which gives us a total of 16, right? So 16 units per unit. How many faces and edges does a unit cube have? So right here over in our connected vocabulary, here's the faces. So how many faces does a unit cube have? 6. 6. Okay, so 6 faces. And so edges, that's where they come, where the faces come and meet, right? Okay. So how many face or edges are there? 12. Right? How many faces and edges does each display have? Okay. So how many faces does each one have? 6, right? Because this is a cube, but this is a rectangular prism, and it still has 6 faces, right? Okay, and how many edges? 12 edges. How can you place Carlos's display to make it match Kelly's display exactly? So what did we talk about? Carlos's is standing up and hers is on its side. So basically you just need to turn Carlos's on the side. Okay, so letter F, turn Carlos's display on its side. Okay. For a concert, Angela builds platforms using cube-shaped blocks, each with an edge of 1 unit. Use unit cubes to build a visual model of each platform. How many unit cubes are in each visual model? So in number 1, how many does she have? 5. Okay, so 1, there are 5 unit cubes. 2, there are, so we have how many in each layer? 4, and there's 2 layers, so there's 8 unit cubes. And then 3, how many unit cubes? 5. So which platform has the greatest number of blocks? 2. Platform 2. All right, so check for understanding. Erin builds store displays using cube-shaped boxes. Count the number of unit cubes used to build the solid figure. So how many unit cubes do we have here in one? 7. So 7 unit cubes. Okay, how many unit cubes do we have on 2? We have 2 layers, right? How many is on that top layer? So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and there's 2 layers, so 20. On your own. Reason, using cube-shaped mini cakes of the same size, a pastry chef creates a larger cake shown for a party. If each mini cake serves 1 guest, how many servings are in the larger cake? Explain how we know. So, how many are in the top layer? 9. And how many layers are there? 3. So 27 servings, because what did we say? 1 layer has 9 servings, and the large cake has how many layers? 3. Has 3 layers. So we took, what did we do? We took 9 times 3. 9 times 3, which equals 27. Open-ended. Describe 2 different right rectangular prisms that can be made using 18 unit cubes. So what could we do? So what could our dimensions be?
6 as the length and 3 as the width.
And then times 1, right? Okay. What's another way? Could we break this 6 apart?
Yeah.
What could we break it into? 3 times 2 times 3, right? And then one of those new ones replaced our 1, right? Okay. Count the number of unit cubes used to build each solid figure. So how many unit cubes are in number 5?
12.
There's 9 in this back panel, right? And then there's 3 across the front. So you guys said 12 unit cubes. Okay. How many are in number 6? So how many is on this front side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. And then how many layers are there? 2. So 18 unit cubes.